Annunciator setup screen looks like this. We have 96 indicators. The page gives us an opportunity to choose a layout and to enter the page names. Using the 3x4 layout, we have 12 indicators associated with the first page name station alarms, the next 12 indicators associated with actual values, and the next 12 indicators associated with the relay alarms. The content involves three choices: the alarm, which are digital signals, actual values that are metered values, and mixed where you have an alarm and an indicator into one. Alarm types, we have knowledgeable, so we have to acknowledge or reset and latch an alarm. We can use the arrow buttons on the graphical front panel and press the enter button to clear it. If the alarm is present, you cannot reset the alarm. We have a self-reset, which will track the state of an input operand. The alarm turns on when the trigger activates and off when the trigger clears. And of course, latched, the alarm remains latched and can be reset using the reset button. When the content is alarms inputs, they can be any digital signal available in the relay. There are 3 lines of text that can be added to each data item. When the actual values is selected as content, the first line is the metered value, and lines 2 and 3 are the text that you enter. You also need to select your actual values parameters. Mix provides the results from the combination of the alarm and actual value parameters. Here we have the Annunciator screen set up, and what we're going to do is we're going to set up the mixed. So here it allows us to go in and select any digital signal that we choose. I'll select the phase under voltage 1 operate. The first line will have the meter values. This is my text that I'm going to enter in when the alarm is active. And I need to go in and select configure to select my parameter, so I can use any actual value, metered value that's available inside the relay. You can set, it'll automatically default to the units, your scale factor, multiplier, your format of your data. And you can also indicate where you want that data to be displayed. Line 1, 2, or 3. I'll leave it in line 1. And also the alarms. So I've selected it to be in a blue text. To see how this is going to look before you display it on your graphical front panel, you can come up to preview, and this will display your 3 different pages. So my station alarms, these are the conditions that I've placed. The next page, I've got my metered values, and then this is my mixed condition. And the last one is my relay alarms. So here we have a live a presentation of the results on our front panel. Here we have our 3 different annunciators, station alarms, actual values, and relay alarms. If we create a fault condition, so with our fault condition just being displayed, the under voltage condition has been cleared. The first thing you'll need to do is to use the navigational buttons to select the appropriate panel. Select enter to acknowledge, and then go ahead, press the reset button to reset the condition. Escape will clear the frame.